Hi friends, I'm Brittany with the Museum of Discovery, and we're very excited that you are going to be part of many Tinkerfest with the Central Arkansas Library System, but we're doing it a little different this year. We're going to do it from your home. So today, we're going to do something that was a favorite pastime of mine when I was a kid, which was playing with my toys. But we're going to do it a little differently. We're going to use recycled materials that you can find around your home and make your own toy. Today, we're going to make penny spinners. So before we get started, let's gather a few things that you can find around your home. So first, you're going to need a piece of pasteboard. Now this is a thin cardboard that you can often find with cereal boxes. You're also going to need some markers, colored pencils, crayons, anything that's your favorite art medium so that we can decorate our penny spinner. You're also going to need, really fun, some coins. You got to find a little bit of money. Hopefully your parents can help you out with that point. So we'll need some pennies, nickels, dimes to make our spinner. And then finally, we're going to need a pair of scissors and a small cup or bowl. So let's get started. First things first, we're going to take our cup to make a really simple circle. And this is where some of our markers will come in handy. We're just going to trace around the cup or bowl just to make a nice clean circle. Once you've got that made, you'll take your scissors and you're just going to cut it out. Now the good news is it doesn't have to be a perfect circle. It can be a little wobbly. In fact, that might be kind of fun. So just keep cutting until it's detached from the board. And you can see mine's not perfect at all. And once we have that part cut out, you get to decorate it. So you can do different designs, different letters, maybe you write your name on it. In fact, I already did that ahead of time so you can see some of the designs that I've made. I've made a little squiggly, but also one of my favorite things to learn about is bacteria. It's just weird. So I made that on my penny spinner. Then you're going to take your scissors once your design is done, and you're just going to poke a hole in the middle. Now be a little bit careful because these are sharp. You can hurt yourself. So you might want to find an adult to help you with this part of our project. And you're just going to push through until we have a little hole. Then the last step is to take your coin, put that inside your spinner until it's nice and taut, and then you just play. Now the best part of this is that we get to tinker with our toy. So try different coins, make different designs. You can even try different materials to see if it plays differently. And that's how you make a penny spinner at home. Thanks for playing with us, and I hope you have a great Tinkerfest.